Headless body found inside pit in Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Trelawny police are investigating the circumstances surrounding the discovery of a headless body in the parish on Monday morning. A senior police source confirmed the grisly discovery but could not provide further details. The body was reportedly spotted by a farmer who was on his way to his farm in the Allside community.
The Trelawny just find dead body. Oh, man without head. Jaja. The box head go on.
No, General.
An alarm was raised, and on the arrival of the police, the headless body was removed from the hole after the scene was processed by investigators. The body, which is believed to be a male, has not yet been positively identified. The Trelawny police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.